Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you a potential 100x Solana meme coin pick. So if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe, hit up the moose. You guys know what to do. So we're going to be talking about RawDog, and this token is now launching on Solana. So I want to give you guys the step-by-step how to pick this up. By the way, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So if you pick up this token, it's on you. So I'm just going to share with you how you can pick it up and a little bit of what I'm doing. So not financial advice. Keep that in mind. So right now, we're going to get into a couple things here. We are Tuesday, November 19th of 2024, and Bitcoin is ripping. So we want to see that. It's my opinion that we are experiencing a mega bull run. Okay, and I'll talk about why. So Bitcoin at all-time highs, and it's been somewhat trading sideways. It's up a little bit today, but we're also Tuesday. We also just have massive bullish news, and it looks like it's just breaking out, right? So, I mean, this is your typical wedge pattern breaking out. Boom. So, as Bitcoin continues to go higher, alts are then going to thrive as well. So, we're talking about Solana, right? If we're talking about Solana meme token, the meme tokens are priced in Sol, right? So, that's why I've been talking about it as well, where I believe Solana is a good investment because it is the meme coin blockchain, right? If you want to pick up memes fast with cheap transaction fees, you're going to be using Solana. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Solana is just crushing it right now at 240. I'm going to be doing a price prediction video. Let's just say it's upwards of $500 USD per token. So I think that's going to be exciting. So what is RawDog? Let's start with that, and then we'll get into step-by-step how to pick it up. So if you guys want, you can head over to rawdogpumps.com. Okay, so this team, they're just very passionate. If you guys can get into the Pumpers Club, this is a Telegram group. Guys, we have a lot of fun in here, and it's just cool to be part of a meme coin community. These are meme coins, but this thing has the branding, it has the look, it has the fun. It's completely ridiculous. The next phase for this is to get influencers on board. So guys, promote and share. So here's the Diamond Sack NFT. So something like this with good branding and a team that's buying and holding, I think could do very well. And it's fun, right? Like we've talked about in recent videos, what are some good quality Solana meme coins? And we could take a look right now. So just to give you a comparison of where RawDog pumps could go, something at just 1 million market cap, this thing could go absolutely nuts. So Solana ecosystem on the 24-hour, you got Hasbulla's cat, right? So obviously everybody likes Hasbulla, but 235 million in market cap, right? Even Tate's token, 65 mils, probably higher at one point or another. But memes in general, they are thriving right now. It's going to be the thing. We got Dogecoin sitting at 40 cents, right? So it's almost back to its all-time highs. Dog with Hat, 3 billion in market cap. You think RawDog doesn't have, 1/3000th of that? So this thing also has a token burn, 69 mil, of course, for supply, and it's just goofy, right? This thing just pumps all day. So to buy RawDog, let's share with you how to do that. Number one, you guys want to have a phantom wallet, okay? So this is going to be a Crypto Moose loose tutorial, so I'm not going to be doing step-by-step. However, if you guys want, what I recommend is to set up a phantom wallet. This is one of the better wallets. It is the hot wallet if you want to own your seed phrase for Solana. So this is the Chrome extension tool. Just go to the website. You can also download this to your mobile device. So I have this on my phone. This is what it looks like once you set it up. So here I've got a little bit of Solana. I got some RawDog already. I'm going to share with you how you can begin to pick this up. So all you're going to do is download for Chrome. If you're using something like a cell phone, then you can download for that as well. So just hit the download button. You guys know how to do that. You can also go to Crypto Moose, type in Phantom. I've got a 13-minute tutorial how to set up a Phantom wallet. And in that tutorial, I also teach you and break down step by step how to back up your words. So as you can see there in the tutorial, it's a pretty good video. So if you want to make sure everything's good, type in how to set up a Phantom wallet under this channel. In fact, this entire channel is your library for tutorials to help you guys out in the market. Okay. So also to get to RawDog, you can just go under new projects under the link tree. So click RawDog and it's going to take you right to the website. Okay. So now that you have your Phantom wallet, all you're going to do is go to the website, click on buy RawDog, or there's different ways, right? So first you can do that. I understand. Connect your wallet. And all you're going to do is buy RawDog, assuming you have Sol. So all you're going to do is buy RawDog. What you want to do is load up some Solana. So let's say you set up your wallet. You can click on Solana and then click on receive. So you're going to send your crypto to this address. You could also copy paste it. Or what you can do is click buy. So click buy. And then you could use a debit credit card to pick up some Solana. So there are a bunch of different ways you can go about this, okay? So again, you could either send, receive, click buy, hit on Solana, you're good to go. All right, so that's what you're going to do. Those are the first two steps. So again, you're going to download Phantom, then you're going to load up some Solana, then you're just going to swap. So the way I've been doing it is just through Phantom itself. So I wonder if we could even change this up here. So we'll make this a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume that I've never picked any up. So I'm going to go to the search bar in Phantom and I'm going to put RawDog. And it's going to be this one with the trademark, the TM, okay? And on top of that, what you can do is make sure that you have the right token information as well. So I'm wondering if it shows, there you go. So mint, under mint, you can see that the contract token is 8E7VY. So you're going to go to the website and check it. It's 8E7VY and it ends in SNM. Okay. So it ends in SNM. That's how you know that you are on, that you're picking up the right token. Okay. So next, all you're going to do is go to swap and I'm going to do I'm going to put in a Sol and set your slippage low, just crank it up if it's not working, if you have to go any higher. So here we'll just go 50% of this wallet. Okay, review, swap. Let's cross the moose fingers. And there we go, getting loose, baby. So by the way, I am using some funds from the Tangent wallet. So just so you guys know as well, I'm gonna do a shameless plug. I don't even care. This is a Tangent wallet. You can also hold Solana on here. And this is a cold storage wallet. All you guys have to do is go to the link tree and I've got links for you to save 10% off. So I've been using some of those funds. We've sold now 1,000 wallets. So that's fantastic. And I've been able to pick up some memes and have some fun with you guys. So now the moose is getting loose. Got 32,000 RawDog. Guys, if you want to get into RawDog, go ahead. If you don't, then don't put in more than you're willing to lose. It is a meme token. So for me, $500 USD, more than enough at the moment, particularly on this wallet. So guys, let me know what you think. I think there's a lot of potential here. Circulating supply, they're out there. You guys can pick it up. Something on Solana that has good branding, that has a good team, that is transparent. So I like Sam. I like everybody involved. And we're going to give this a shot. So this previously launched on a different chain and it didn't work out, but it had nothing to do with the team. So you know what? Let's give it a shot here. And yeah, so guys, head over to Linktree, save 10% off using code Moose. Okay. So use code Moose, save 10% off. You can pick up a Tangent ring as well. Guys, this thing is awesome. I'm doing a video here soon about it. So guys, pick up a ring, pick up a 2-card set, protect your crypto. Once you have a lot of Sol, some Bitcoin, you want to be using cold storage. So this is Dex Screener. You guys can also use this. Track the price. You guys can see the Moose's buy right here 1 minute ago. So am I a whale? The moose whale? Where's the moose symbol? I'm a moose holder. All right. So anyways, guys, that's all we got for you. We'll see you when the moose is a millionaire.